So today I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot a common Samsung washing machine error code. The error code is 4E. On some brands it indicates 4C. 4C or 4E. So the first place to look at when you have this error code are the valves. The valves, these are the water inlet valve, these are the solenoids. So you open the hose, the one that lets in water. After opening it, then you can clean the filter if it's dirty. You can remove the filter. Then there is a second one, this one. So remove both and clean them. If the filters are clean and the washing machine is still showing the error code 4E, remember that is a problem with the water, then you'll proceed to check the valves, the two valves. So let me show you how to check the two valves. For resistance, that one you'll use a digital multimeter. So we set the multimeter into resistance mode. After that, then we can test each valve, each solenoid for resistance. Both the solenoids are okay. I think you can see the reading on the multimeter. If there's no reading, it means that solenoid is faulty, like this one. There's no reading on the multimeter. Here. There's no reading at all. So in most cases, some of them you will find that they have a crack. The ones that are damaged, some of them have cracks. So if you find one is faulty, replace it. In most cases it's one that is usually faulty. You can buy a pair and replace them. Those ones can cause a 4E error code. Then let me proceed to the third cause. This is the second cause. One is blockage, two is the valve. Let me proceed to the third cause. The third cause is the pressure tube. This is the pressure tube. It is, the valves are here. These are the valves. The pressure tube is here. This is the pressure tube. So if the pressure tube has a hole inside or is not properly fit on the pressure sensor, to display a 4C or a 4E error code. So this is the pressure tube. If it's loose or it has a hole inside, it will display the same error code. Or if the pressure chamber is not correctly connected, it will display the same error code, 4E error code. So I think for today, that is all for today. I think we have learned a lot. So there are three things to look for. That is the valves, blockage of the filter, and then the pressure tube and the pressure chamber if it's properly connected. So in most cases, people think if you see a 4E error code, it's a water related problem only. No, there are other causes. So for today, that's all for today. Subscribe for more on the channel.